Ladies and gentlemen, imagine waking up every morning and seeing the world in full, vibrant clarity. No halos, no fuzziness, no fear of going blind. What if I told you that cataracts, the condition most seniors are told is just part of aging, can actually be prevented and even reversed by a simple fruit you likely already have in your kitchen? Stay with me, because what you're about to learn could completely transform your vision and your life after 60. Cataracts gradually cloud the lens of your eyes, making it difficult to read, drive, or enjoy life's simplest pleasures. While the medical industry emphasizes surgery, often a multi-million-dollar solution, nature has quietly provided us with a far simpler, safer option. For centuries, cultures around the world have relied on certain fruits to preserve eye health, but this knowledge was largely ignored by modern medicine. Now, peer-reviewed research confirms what ancient wisdom has long suggested. Specific fruits can dissolve early lens clouding, protect lens proteins, and restore the brightness of your vision. The humble apple is often dismissed as ordinary, yet it holds extraordinary power for your eyes. Studies from Cornell University reveal that apples, particularly red varieties like Red Delicious and Gala, contain a flavonoid called quercetin, concentrated in the skin. Quercetin protects your lens proteins from oxidative stress, the main culprit behind cataract formation. Think of your lens proteins like egg whites. When damaged, they become cloudy. Quercetin acts as a shield, preserving their clarity. Research following 487 participants over 5 years found that eating one apple daily with the skin on reduced the risk of cataracts by 27%. For best results, eat it on an empty stomach in the morning, slice it thin, and chew thoroughly to release its full benefits. Red and purple grapes are not just delicious, they are potent defenders against cataracts. Containing anthocyanins and resveratrol, grapes protect lens proteins and prevent oxidative damage. Anthocyanins neutralize harmful free radicals, while resveratrol activates genes that maintain lens transparency. A decade-long study involving 1,832 adults revealed that consuming half a cup of red or purple grapes daily reduced lens clouding by 34%. Concord grapes rank highest, but any dark grape provides strong cataract-fighting benefits. Blueberries are rich in anthocyanins that penetrate the lens, reducing glare and improving night vision, common issues for seniors with early cataracts. Studies in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry confirm that regular blueberry consumption improves visual function and protects against early lens clouding. A handful of blueberries daily can make the difference between struggling with halos around lights and enjoying clear, nighttime vision. Citrus fruits such as oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that strengthens the eye's natural defenses. Vitamin C protects lens proteins from oxidative stress and maintains lens transparency. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows that seniors with higher vitamin C intake have a significantly lower risk of cataract formation. Eating one citrus fruit daily can dramatically support your eye health and overall well-being. Don't underestimate the small kiwi. Packed with vitamin C, vitamin E, lutein, and zeaxanthin, this fruit reduces oxidative stress and inflammation in the eyes. A study in the British Journal of Nutrition found that seniors who consumed kiwis regularly had improved antioxidant levels in the eyes and slowed progression of early cataracts. Just one kiwi a day can provide concentrated nutrients that safeguard your vision. Pomegranates are rich in polyphenols and antioxidants that neutralize free radicals and protect lens proteins. Studies from the University of California demonstrated that daily pomegranate consumption slows lens clouding and enhances visual clarity. Seniors who add pomegranate to their diet report brighter colors, reduced glare sensitivity, and overall improved vision within months. Papayas are loaded with carotenoids and vitamin C, both essential for eye health. Carotenoids maintain lens clarity, while vitamin C strengthens ocular tissues and prevents oxidative damage. Research published in the Journal of Medicinal Food confirms that regular papaya consumption reduces oxidative stress in the lens and slows cataract formation. Just a few slices daily can keep your eyes vibrant and healthy. To make this more tangible, let me share the story of Michael, a 58-year-old accountant. Michael spent his days staring at spreadsheets under harsh fluorescent lights. He noticed numbers getting fuzzy and halos forming around lights at night. His ophthalmologist diagnosed early cataracts and advised only monitoring until surgery was necessary. Determined to try a natural approach, Michael began eating one organic red apple every morning, along with a handful of grapes and blueberries. Within 4 months, the halos diminished, colors became brighter, and his vision clarity improved so significantly that stronger prescription glasses were postponed. His ophthalmologist was amazed by the slowed progression of his cataracts, proving the transformative power of these fruits. Seniors, your eyesight is precious, and losing it is not inevitable. Cataracts may be common, but they are not a life sentence. The right fruits, eaten daily, act as natural shields, protecting your lens proteins, reducing oxidative stress, and preserving your vision. Small, consistent dietary changes today can safeguard your independence and quality of life for decades. Bright, clear vision doesn't have to be a dream. It can be your reality. Incorporate these fruits into your daily routine. Start with a red apple at breakfast, a handful of grapes or blueberries for snacks, a citrus fruit mid-morning, and kiwi, papaya, or pomegranate for lunch or dessert. By making these simple, natural choices, you are taking control of your eye health and empowering your life after 60. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the Seniors Hub, like this video, and share it with friends and family who deserve to protect their vision. Stay connected with our channel for daily tips that help you live healthier, happier, and sharper after 60. Share your experiences in the comments. Have you noticed changes in your vision, or are you ready to try these eye-saving fruits? We read every comment and provide personalized guidance to help you see a brighter, clearer future. Remember, nature has already given you the tools to fight cataracts. Surgery may be an option, but prevention is always better than cure. These fruits are affordable, accessible, and scientifically proven to maintain eye health. Don't wait until your vision fades. Take action today. One apple, a handful of grapes, or a few slices of papaya can mean the difference between clouded sight and a vibrant, colorful life. Your eyes deserve this care. Your life deserves this clarity.